Automate your AP process with Workplace Invoice Capture. Featuring advanced OCR and machine learning technologies, Workplace can capture the data from your invoices with no upfront setup. Workplace can also capture the line-level details of your invoice, not just the header-level information. Eliminate manual data entry of both PO and non-PO invoices and route them through your existing approval workflow. Using email, web upload, and FTP, there are many ways to capture invoices with Workplace. Here I have an invoice I received from Amazon. It's related to this purchase order I sent them. PO 222. Using email, I can simply send this to my designated mailbox and Workplace will automatically capture the data from it. With the designated mailbox, I can even have my supplier send me invoices directly to that address. I can see the invoice has made it into our queue here, and after some time it should disappear. If some user intervention is necessary, the queue will be updated and tell you exactly what you need to do. The invoice disappeared, so the data capture must have been successful. Let's take a look. A Workplace invoice was created for Amazon and automatically matched to the corresponding PO. Since I'm enforcing a three-way match, Workplace tells me that this invoice hasn't been matched to a receipt yet. As soon as someone creates the receipt for this PO, it'll match and push this through. If you have an approval workflow set up, that will be triggered as well. I have another invoice here that's not related to a PO. I'm going to simply upload this using Workplace to have the data captured. I can see it's now in my queue being processed. This one hasn't disappeared from my queue, and I can see that some action is required. It looks like the gross total is not correct. Let's click here to make some corrections. It looks like it captured the majority of the data, header and lines, but the gross total wasn't correct because the subtotal wasn't captured. I can simply click on the invoice PDF to tell it where to look for this field, and it will remember for the next time an invoice from this vendor comes in. It looks like I'll also need to fix the quantity, as the word shipped is being used on the invoice, which is an uncommon word for this field. When I've made all my corrections, I can submit this and the Workplace invoice will be created. Again, if I have approval routing configured, it'll be triggered here as well. Already have an invoice capture solution? No problem. Workplace can integrate to just about any invoice capture or OCR provider. Take advantage of approval routing and reporting with Workplace while still using your own third-party solution. Doc Alpha comes supported out of the box, but new integrations can be added anytime by request.